Hey, this is my 31 Ford Sedan, and the wife says I need to start cleaning out my car barn if I want to buy anything new. So this is for sale. It has a nice clean engine compartment, alternator. Everything looks good. The upholstery is very nice, not worn. Headliner looks very good. All glass is good. Same with the front. Of course, it's a standard 3-speed, all original. Very nice. Get a picture anyway of a start. It seems to start and run good. Looks like the ammeter works okay. Idle might be set a little low. I don't know. I'm going to take a wild guess that it's idling about 400 RPM. I don't know. Nice new starter. Nice clean engine compartment. The body is nice and straight. I would say the paint's probably a 7.5. Pretty nice. Body's nice and straight all over. I put a license plate on it, but that's not registered to this car. It's just one of my old plates.